year this boat is again?
1988 Northcoast.
1988 Northcoast. How long is it?
24-foot sports fisherman.
24-foot sport fisherman. And you were saying this is the boat they use in New York?
All the police departments use it up north, from like Maryland up to New York, Boston. It's the police boat model.
Police boat model.
Yeah.
All right, it's got a remote light. We have radar.
It has all the radars, GPS.
GPS.
And there's another piece. I'll take you around the side of the house.
That
attaches up here. You can drive the boat from up top.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it's got a cabin underneath where you can sleep with a little bathroom.
So you can drive it from
up top. I'll take you around the side. You can videotape it.
Okay, all right.
You climb up the stairs here.
Yeah. I know. Oh, okay. I see where it attaches. All right. Rod holders.
Yeah, open up that zipper. Go in there.
New pumps. Seats are in good condition.
It's just got to be all cleaned. It's got to be all clean and professionally detailed.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
Under there. And then where you're right under there is a little toilet bowl right there.
Right here?
Yeah. Lift that up. Lift up that.
Toilet down there.
Yeah.
Okay. Storage. Equipment.
Pumps down there.
Pumps. Accessory switches.
All new batteries. I mean, the whole thing was just completely renovated. But what happened was, he brought it up to a mechanic in Yanceyville to redo the engines. And the guy was supposed to keep the boat inside the shop.
Yeah.
And he never did. And he left the canvases open, and that's why it's so filthy.
Oh,
It's
God.
all got to be clean.
Electric anchor.
Yep. This was all new canvases. That's all got to be clean.
Yeah.
And then the engines, they start right up, no problem.
Yeah.
And then it's got all the electronics. It's got the radar, fish finders, everything.
Yeah.
It's got all new switches. These are new chairs, but everything got to be cleaned.
Right.
The guy was supposed to keep it in storage, and he didn't.
How many hours are on the motor? Well, they were just redone.
They were just all redone, everything.
Okay.
I'll call you with a set price, but I'll give you a fair price. This boat will move quick with the price. See, the guy left it outside, and all these.
Yeah.
It's all gonna be redone. Oh yeah, open that up. That's got to empty out. That's the live bait wells.
Yeah.
The live bait. Same thing over here. Another live bait. You got a hose that connects there. You wash the boat down.
Okay. Oh, this is another live well here.
That's open that up. It's got all new batteries. That's okay. That's the batteries. Everything's new. All new wiring. Everything.
Looks good down there.
That's all new pumps. You see all the new pumps.
Yep.
It's gonna take me about a week and a half to get this boat. Before it went back. Before it went up to the place in Yanceyville. See, my dad knew this mechanic that lived in New York.
Yeah.
He came down here and opened up a little shop in Yanceyville.
Yeah.
And he brought it up there. But in the middle of it, I don't know if you're taping this. But you don't want it.
So both engines are newly rebuilt.
Completely rebuilt.
Prop looks excellent.
New props.
200.
This time last year, I had this boat in Sebastian, Florida.
Wow.
We trailed it down there.
How fast will this boat move in the water?
This boat will probably do 45.
45.
Well, maybe I'm a little off, but up there, about 40 maybe.
Yeah.
But it moves. That's why the police boats use it, because it has this shape to it. And then they can go offshore in the rough.
Okay.
Trailer.
It's got the you said electric brakes on the trailer?
Brakes. Go buy this trailer.
Yeah.
This trailer is probably half the price of what I'm asking for the boat.
Right. And new tires. Even the spare tires brand new. Okay. You said you had another piece that goes on it?
Oh, come around the side of the house.
Tuna tower.
Yeah.
And that attaches to the boat on those 4 posts.
Yeah.
All right.
And then that white piece goes on top of the canvas, and then that's actually the floor you stand on up top.
Okay.
That goes on top.
Okay, all right. Keep you from falling through.